Hi, my dear brilliant diamonds. Now we are going to discuss the concept of similarity with the help of triangles. In our previous videos, we discussed the concept of similarity with the help of daily life examples and with the help of different polygons. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss purely triangles and their similarity. Before proceeding further, you should know very basic information related to triangles. What is that? We have three different types of triangles based on sides. In the same manner, in the same way, we have three different triangles based on angles also. This basic information is really going to help you a lot for this chapter. Let us now take a paper and cut some triangles from this paper. So now finally we have two equilateral triangles which we have taken from the paper. Now the question is whether these two triangles are similar or not. If I ask this question, then your answer might be yes. Now you should know the reason why these two triangles are similar. It is because if you observe these two equilateral triangles, all the corresponding angles, these are the two corresponding angles and these are the two corresponding angles. All the corresponding angles in these two triangles are equal. This is one point. And all the corresponding sides are also in the same ratio. That is the reason we can say these two equilateral triangles as similar triangles. Let us take two more equilateral triangles. Here if you observe, corresponding angles are equal and see the sides. 12 by 2 you will get 6, 12 by 2 you will get 6, 12 by 2 you will get 6. It means all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. That is the reason we can say these two equilateral triangles also similar. Now one more open secret or universal truth is it may be any length of equilateral triangle. All the equilateral triangles of any length of their sides are similar. This is universal truth. Now let us discuss the similarity of two isosceles triangles and observe here clearly on the screen. Corresponding angles are equal in these two triangles. This and this are corresponding angles. This and this are corresponding angles. And if you talk about the sides, 12 by 2, 6, 12 by 2, 6, 8 by 4, 8 by 2, 4. Means all the sides of this small triangle are 1 by 2 of the sides of this big triangle. It means corresponding sides are in the same ratio and all the corresponding angles are also equal. That is the reason we can say these two isosceles triangles are similar. Reason I already mentioned. Why? Because corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are in the same ratio of these two triangles. That is the reason we can say these two isosceles triangles are similar. Now let us take two more isosceles triangles. Here if you observe 12 by 2, 6, 12 by 2, 6. So other sides, remaining sides also should be in the same ratio. Means 6 by 2 you should get 3, but here third side is not 3 centimeters. It means all the corresponding sides are not in the same ratio. Although these two are isosceles triangles, their corresponding sides, corresponding parts are not in the same ratio. That is the reason we can say these two are not similar triangles. Why? Corresponding angles are not equal. It means this angle and this angle are not equal and their corresponding sides are not in the same ratio. Finally, the conclusion is these two isosceles triangles are not similar. Now we have taken scalene triangles, means all the three sides are not equal. And here on the screen you have two scalene triangles which we have taken from the paper. If you observe corresponding sides, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 2, 6, 5 into 2, 10. What we can observe is all the corresponding sides of these two triangles are increasing in the same ratio, and all the corresponding angles, these are the corresponding angles, are equal. Since all the corresponding angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, we can say these two scalene triangles are similar. Now we have two more scalene triangles on the screen, and observe clearly here. 4 1 ja 4, 4 how many ja 6, 4 1 ja 4 only we should get, but here the side of this big triangle is 6 centimeters, and 10 1 ja 10. The conclusion is all the sides are not in the same ratio of these two triangles. Since corresponding angles are not equal and corresponding sides are not in the same ratio, we can say these two triangles are not similar. Finally, the conclusion of this video is we can say two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles equal, and one more condition, if their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then we can say those two triangles are similar. Hope you got good clarity. Thanks for watching and learning. Have a nice day.